game. Game ha? Game. Sino muna? You.
Uy, Shopee.
Tama, Shopee.
Ay, oo nga. Size. Wow! Wow!
Ano yan?
Earring. Okay, now it's your turn. I will try later.
Oh my gosh, it's a diary.
Diary? Okay, my turn.
I bought that last night. Originally, nakasara dito. Tapos, nag-realize ko, yung nasa bahay na kami nung babalutin ko na dapat kaya, nasan yung susi? Wonder, paano ko siya nabuksan? Paano ko siya naganito? Bobby pin.
Now you have learned the skill.
I have learned the skill and you guys will learn it too.
Wala pa talaga itong
Meron talaga ata yan kasi nung binili ko.
Wala.
Nawala mo.
Hindi ko nawala. Wala talaga siya. I literally just picked this up habang naka-lock na siya dito.
So, the other one.
Yes.
This is from Garrett. Oh, it's the file organizer. So, papakita sa vlog natin.
Wow! Ay,
So, guys,
yan!
this is the file organizer that Garrett has for me. It's very nice. It's very blue, my favorite color. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want this, then you can order this at Shopee or Lazada, I don't know.
Ano ba? Ina-advertise pa yung seller. I'm scared about how much this is.
I didn't even check the receipt.
I'm also scared of this because what if I just accidentally do that and then I forgot there's no key?
Bobby pin nga!
I do not have a bobby pin in my house. You know what I have? Hairbands.
You can use it just like a time capsule. You write every little up you have there.
Yeah,
then you
second
lock it.
semester, second semester diary, all my stressing. Tapos time capsule and then I'll just look back at it and see how stressed I was.
Ganon.
And say I'm more stressed.
Yung may
So-
pag-ikat ni Charlie sa kanya Reka.
Oh my God! Wow!
It has 13 seconds. Very nice.
Same siya, yung isa lang wala. Taas. Ayan, tapos gagawin mo. Sa
Ano
isa
yung
lang.
nasa harap?
Ilalagay mo sa isa pang Ayan.
Kaya ko to.
Wow!
Whoa! I should have bought one for myself.
That's the golden rule. Buy one for yourself. Yeah. Okay, bye!
Magsapakan pa tayo bago makapaghanap ng gift eh.
That's how chaotic